Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage saved passwords on the MacBook Air. To do this, we'll need to open our system settings, then scroll down for the password, and inside we'll need to unlock it. I will use my Touch ID for that. Inside you can see all of the passwords that are saved and you've tried to log in, and the credentials should be saved there. Now you can click on the info button, and here's the username and also password. In this case it's never saved. If you want to delete it, click on delete password. And that's basically it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.